Hi. I'm sitting in the parking lot. My usual fast food run. Fast food frenzy. Man, I got a lot of food today. What am I gonna do? They only give me a spoon for my potatoes. This is bad. Gotta lick up the sour cream. I guess I'll have to eat them by hand. These cheesy potatoes are so good. I love them. I get them every time that I go to Taco Bell. Can't help it. You know, Taco Bell seems to be the place you can get the most food for the least money. And when you're a fat girl on a budget, you pay attention. People are probably driving by. I should have a car cam that like shows you all the fast food I eat. Because I would do more videos, but I can't stand to sit here and eat. Because I'm usually driving from here to there. But I do this all the time. A couple times a day. Like I said, I'm usually eating and driving. Maybe someone will buy me a car cam. I'd turn it on. You can watch me eat a few times a day. No one sees me so far. I'm trying to eat fast. Because I gotta eat the cheese. Best part. I know I shouldn't be eating with my hands, but what's a girl gonna do? Good stuff. Trying something new too that they have at Taco Bell in my Mountain Dew. Love Mountain Dew. Yeah, I've never had this thing before. This is some kind of grilled taco. Let's try it. So it has crunchies in it. Little crunchies. I think it doesn't have tomatoes. I hate tomatoes. I don't even like lettuce. It's pretty good. It's huge. Not amazing. I just don't like lettuce on my tacos because it's all warm and wilty. Never tastes good at fast food. It does taste good when you make it yourself or you go to a nice restaurant. You load it with dressing and cheese. It's pretty good. I would get it again. Listen, not amazing, but good. A lot of cheese in it. Definitely less messy. It's like a grill. It's like a soft and crunchy taco at once. I'm gonna talk with my mouth full. Sorry. I have no makeup on. Can't help it. I was just running out for a trip to the bank. I can't drive past a Taco Bell without stopping. Or a Burger King. Or Wendy's. Or McDonald's. Dunkin' Donuts. KFC. Roy Rogers. Sonic. Pizza houses. Taco Bell's definitely the cheapest though. Especially when you're going to do it a lot. I used to eat slow. My new thing is eat as fast as I can. I swear I can eat more that way. I like that they put sour cream in this. Really good. Especially when you get down to the bottom. I'm not gonna eat this, there's no taste in it. Oh. I want more food. Hey, lucky me. Quesadilla disappeared. Just kidding. I always buy more food than I need. I love sour cream. Sour cream makes everything taste better. I swear people are walking by me going, what the heck is this girl doing? Videotaping herself stuffing her face. If they only knew. I love the quesadillas there. I always get that. You like quesadillas? Tasty. Another one. And it's a good size. It's pretty filling. Everyone knows Brooke likes to be full, right? And if I'm not full, just eat more. Uh-oh. My camera dropped it. It slid. I'm gonna slide down so you can see me. Whew. I already ate, of course, before I started eating. My whole day lately has been eating. I just cannot stop eating. Do you ever have those days? It just seems, for me, like not stopping means like I can take a half-hour break and then I'm hungry again. I'm not just a little hungry either. Like, starving. Makes me crazy. How do they expect girls like me to be skinny? Thank God there are guys like you that like it. Because how can you control it when you're starving all the time? Always hungry. I want to eat. I'm not happy if I don't. I shouldn't have to live unhappy, right? A little spicy. What kind of sauce I put in there that's really spicy? It's good. I'm starting to get pretty full. But the crazy part is I'll be hungry in a half hour more. Good thing is, in order to get back home after going to the bank, I gotta drive by Taco Bell again. I'm Burger King. I'm really mad they closed the KFC down. There was a KFC, and it's all closed. And they don't even have it in the Taco Bell. You know how some Taco Bells have KFC? I like that because then you can get both in the same drive-thru. I don't like the edges. And they have hardly any stuffing in them. Kind of a waste to eat. But at least you got to see me on one of my quickie drive-thru runs. It was quick. It was so good. I'd like to try that new taco. That was huge. It was bigger than my hand. Grilled stuffed nacho, it's called. You should try it. In Brooke's review, she says, try it. You'll like it. Maybe I should show you. Not looking so sexy today. I feel bad about that. But, you know, can't look perfect all the time, right? Oh, I found a piece. Oh. I'm looking around to see if anyone sees me. So this is me, no makeup. I know, it's probably really ugly. But, you know, I can't always be a model every minute. Sometimes I just have to be a regular girl. You know, I don't want to do my hair and makeup just to go to the store or just to go to the bank. And I put on earrings. I brushed my hair. I got a new hairdo. I'm not sure when you'll see it because I still have some sets left. By the time you see it, it might be an old hairdo. For me, an old hairdo lasts a month or so. Check this out. What do you think? Definitely sporting a double now. I don't know. I don't know what happened. It's crazy. Probably my least favorite thing about being fat. I don't like having extra face. Oops, I got stuff in my teeth. Sorry. That's not sexy. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, I want to see my tummy. I want to show you, okay? Right here in the parking lot. If we were dating, I would do this. I would tease you and show you my tummy all the time. I would make you rub it and pinch it. And you would probably really like that, right? Look. There it is. Glorious belly. My pants are always too tight. You know, it's crazy because these are size 22. Crazy. And they don't fit. Look, they're rolled over. Look at this belly. Look at the lines on it. What do you think of that? Where's the belly button? There it is. Well, there's a lot of meat there. Try and not get caught. Oh, there's a boob. Sorry, I can't really show my boobies off right now. I'm in public. That would be very bad. But thanks for eating with me. It was kind of fun having company. I hope you liked it. Sorry I look like this. Anyways, I hope that you keep checking me out. I hope my video is not too boring. Bye.
Brains.
Hooray! Ow.